Alright, so we're moving into Chapter 3 in Math 131 now, because we've learned all the basics and we learned how to do regression and all that good stuff. So the first thing I'm going to teach you in Chapter 3 is actually something that isn't that key of an idea, but it's good to know how to do it. So let me show you my data set right here. I have this data set for Toyota and GM in years. This is market share, and basically we're supposed to find the regression line and do some other stuff, and I thought, hey, this would be a good time to teach you how to do scatter plots for 2 data sets at a time. So let me show you how to do that. First thing I'm going to do is kind of make this window a little bit smaller. Alright, now, where do we enter data? Stat, Edit, and I'm going to enter this. It says years since 1990, so 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Let me go here, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. There's Toyota, and GM is 30, 29, 28. Oopsie, typed that wrong. Hold on, delete. 28, 27. Great. There they are, aren't they gorgeous? Now, first thing I want to teach you how to do is draw a scattergram of both of these together at the same time. So let me go to y equals. I'm going to clear out this old equation. I don't want that equation. And I really want plot 1 and plot 2 dark. But the problem is plot 2 isn't really what I want it to be. And I can see that if I go to stat plot. So I go second y equals. There's stat plot. And I can see that plot 1 is on, because I just turned it on, and it's L1, L2, and it makes a scatter plot, and it's a box. That's fine, that's good. That'll be Toyota. But GM, I want GM to be different. So I press number 2. I want to go to plot 2. You can see that you're editing plot 2. See how it's dark? And I want it to be on, and I want it to do a scatter plot, but I don't want L1, L2. GM has its years in L1, but it has its scores in L3. So I'm going to do second 3. There's L3. And I'm going to make these plus signs. I'm going to go down here and press enter on the plus sign. Great. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, let's just press graph. No, I can only see a couple of them, and it's not really what I want, and it's annoying. So let's do zoom number 9. Remember to zoom 9? Here it is, zoom stat. So you can just press 9, or you can go to it and press enter, and there they are. There's GM getting lower. There's Toyota increasing. Isn't a thing of beauty? And I could go back to the window and kind of make it a little bit different, but honestly, 5 to 16 going up by 1s, that's fine. I like to see my x-axis, if at all possible. And I'm going to go up by 5s there. I'm just taking what the ZoomStat gave me and kind of modifying it slightly. But there you go. Beautiful, 2 scatter plots. Now notice if I press trace, you can see there's Toyota. It's telling you it's plot 1, which is L1, L2, right? You can check the data points. And if I go down, it'll hop to this other one, or up, either way. It'll hop to the other one. I go left, right, and it's telling me here's GM scores, which were L1 and L3. So that is how to plot 2 scatter plots at the same time, how to zoom stat to make the window, and how to trace and hop around. Cool. Alright, next thing we're going to need to know how to do is find the regression for both of them, but I'm going to save that for the next tutorial.